Just grilling up some keto chicken strips. I have my next batch right here that I will show you guys how I got from this to this finished peach. I took a bite out of that. Alright, so this is actually coconut oil. Frying in coconut oil. This is a mixture of almond flour, a little bit of coconut flour, and flaxseed, and I put in some salt and some garlic salt and a little bit of random seasonings so it's pretty much just to taste of what you like on your breading of your chicken strips. And then this is 3 eggs with a little bit of heavy cream mixed in. And I have just been, I've been starting out and then put it in the breading and back in, and one more time go through the breading. Lay it in there.